Welcome to Rheidon Tech. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your PC200 Pro EV charger to Wi-Fi using the Rheidon Plus app. Before we get started, make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi and that Bluetooth is turned on. Once you're logged into the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the home screen, then select Add Device. Wait a moment while the app searches for nearby devices. When your charger appears, go ahead and select it. Give it a few seconds. Once it's ready, it's time to set up Wi-Fi. Tap the Next button to continue. The app will automatically scan for available Wi-Fi networks. When your home network appears, enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Your charger is now connecting to your home Wi-Fi. This may take a moment, so please wait. Once the connection is successful, tap Next to proceed. Here you can give your charger a name and check for any available firmware upgrades. Your PC200 Pro is now connected to Wi-Fi. Happy charging!